Please welcome Group Vice President Toyota Marketing, Ed Laukes.
Well, good morning. Good morning, Chicago. How's everybody doing? Little snow, little cold, little to remember everybody that this is Chicago and it's February. And you know, I don't think February ever gets any warmer around here. And it's not only February, but this is also now the very first big show of the 2020 season. And right? It's awesome. And I couldn't be happier that we get to kick off things right here in Chicago. As I mentioned during the Mama Breakfast this morning, it's always great to be back here in my stomping grounds here in the Midwest. This area really has made me who I am today. So I grew up here, and there's going to be people from my team that are going to be fired because of this picture for the record. So it's nice working with you, whoever provided that picture. I also went to DePaul University right down the street, and I also spent many, many years of my Toyota and Lexus career in this region. On the same note, Chicago might also be the death of me thanks to my beloved Bears. So thank God for the Blackhawks and their success and their 3 recent Stanley Cups. Now, needless to say, my passion for sports has led to some damaged TVs over the years. Now, my wife, she calls it insanity. I call it fandom. Either way, I guess it could be worse, because for those of you that have come down from Detroit who follow the Lions or the Red Wings, well, I'm sorry. That's all I can say. In all seriousness, though, I'm also very passionate about this industry and, of course, Toyota, which is why I'm so excited to be up here with you today. We had a fantastic close in 2019, capping off our year with the start of sales for this new 2020 Highlander. And I'm excited to share that the all-new Highlander Hybrid started production in Indiana this week. You know, the Highlander nameplate isn't just hard-hitting, it's a standout leader in our Toyota lineup. We almost think of it as the Dick Butkus or the Brian Urlacher of our team. But seriously, it's at the top of a segment that is now over 24 models strong. And with that level of competition, we really wanted to kick this year off with a bang, which is why the 2020 Highlander was our hero in our Super Bowl ad that ran this last Sunday. Let's take a peek.
Hop in.
Okay.
Save yourselves.
Ah! So, this is Adam.
Hey, come on!
Hold it up!
Critter's got an ugly mouth.
That's not its mouth.
Oh, I just had this washed.
You guys go! I can't fit!
Get in, Brian.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey.
Howdy. Again?
Go wherever they need you. The all-new Highlander. Toyota. Let's go places.
Pretty good, huh? Best line. Get in, Brian. You know, the response to this new Highlander has been amazing. Customers are loving all the features that it offers. All-wheel drive or front-wheel drive on every model? Check. Hybrid front-wheel drive, a first in its segment? Check. Hybrid best-in-class fuel economy and over 600 miles of range? Check and check. Now, 600 miles, that's enough to get from here to, I guess, pretty much anywhere that's warm. So even though Highlander has only been out for a month, we're already taking it to the next level. And I'm excited to reveal for the very first time the all-new 2021 Highlander XSE. And there you have it. Pretty nice, huh? As you've seen over the past few years, the XSE models such as Camry, Avalon, RAV, and Corolla bring dedicated styling and performance. And this Highlander XSE achieves just that, bringing back a sleek exterior styling package that promises to turn heads. Rocker panels, a sportier grille, blacked out accents, really not something that you'd expect on a Highlander, right? Check out these new 20-inch wheels exclusive to the XSE, and you'll also see twin-tip exhaust, a Highlander first. Moving to the inside, this vibrant red interior immediately catches your attention, and this is the boldest interior that we have ever offered in a Highlander. When looking at performance, the XSE has an all-new sport-tuned suspension and dynamic torque vectoring on the all-wheel drive powertrain. This will be the best handling Highlander ever. This Highlander XSE is the full package and now helps round out our complete portfolio. And I'm happy to share that it will go on sale in fall of this year. Now, in case you missed our news last night, we also have 3 new Nightshade models. You can see the 21 Toyota Tacoma, Tundra, and Sequoia Nightshade editions right out here. Now offered on 8 of our nameplates, Nightshade continues to drive enhanced styling across the entire Toyota portfolio. And like the 4Runner Nightshade all the way on the market, these editions carry premium features and will come equipped with black painted wheels, a darkened chrome grille, blacked out exterior badging, and more. Now later this summer, our truck and Sequoia enthusiasts can own the night, as we say. But of course, we also want them to own the day as well. You see, truck and SUV owners need versatility in the vehicles they drive. They want a commuter and a hauler, plenty of performance, but also plenty of practicality for camping, hiking, or even a simple weekend getaway. So with these customers in mind, we designed our new Trail Special Editions. Starting with the Tacoma, the first feature I'm sure you'll notice are the 2 lockable storage boxes in the bed. Now, how cool is that? It's perfect for storing tools, tie-downs, or fishing gear. And even better, the driver's side is insulated, which makes for a perfect cooler for on the go. This feature is also available on the Tundra Trail Edition, which has the popular 1794 edition grille. And all of the Trail Edition models feature black seating and unique tan stitching throughout the cab. So, now that you know some of the details, let's see them in action.
Ready to roll?
Let's go.
All right, so now you didn't think I'd stand up here and talk about conquering the trail without 4Runner, did you? There it is. How about that awesome Yakima rack? Standard on the Trail Edition. And continuing the theme of extra storage, the 4Runner Trail comes with a custom cooler that secures easily to the standard rear sliding cargo tray. It's removable and lockable, making it the perfect companion for campsites or tailgates. And I don't know if you noticed, but the color is the same as the exterior of the vehicle. All right, and speaking of color, all 3 trail editions will be available in Army Green, Cement, Midnight Black, and White. And I'm happy to say customers can start enjoying these new offerings later in the summer of this year. As you can see, it's a very, very exciting time for Toyota. Overall, we could not be positioned better for a successful 2020. We've got the players, we've got the drive, and we will work hard to welcome more and more people to the Toyota family. And these 3 new trail editions and Nightshade models, along with the all-new Highlander XSE, are sure to attract adventure-seeking customers. All right, before we wrap up, I'd like to take a moment and recognize a significant milestone for a special member of our team. Now, I know most of you know Nancy Hubble. After 28 years in PR at Toyota, this will be Nancy's last show, as she will be retiring at the end of the month. There she is. Nancy, we can't thank you enough for all your contributions over the years. You've been such a joy to work with, and personally, I just want to say thank you for your friendship. It's been fantastic. Now, we'd all like to invite you to stick around and enjoy a glass of champagne, even though it's 10:45 in the morning, to celebrate Nancy as she rides off into the sunset. So on behalf of Toyota, thank you all for joining us today. Please enjoy your stay in Chicago. Make sure you get a Portillo's hot dog, and I wish you all safe travels going home. Now, if you'd love the photographers, take a few moments to get some shots where you come on stage. Thank you all.